So I have a new oven that I've used, and I've used it once, and my cooking has come out a little bit overdone. So I'm going to test and see if my oven actually is reading the right temperature. So what I have is an oven thermometer, and you place this in the oven, and I'm going to set it to 350 degrees, and I'll see if this reads 350 degrees as well. If it does, great. If it doesn't, I will know how to adjust my oven to bake properly. Here we go. And then set it to 350. Okay, so it's warming up. So I'm going to open it up, place this right here. We'll close that up. So right now it's just heating up, it's on low. So once it gets to 350, we will check the thermometer and see if it matches. Okay, as I suspected, mine is running 25 degrees over. So when I want to set my oven to 350 in the future, I will set it to 325 instead. Go ahead and get yourself one of these thermometers. You can get them almost anywhere. Make sure when you purchase one that it's for ovens and not for freezers. They look very similar. I hope this helped and your baking improves from it, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn about.